Digital Rupee. Today we discuss about Digital Rupee and what is digital currency, what is the reason launch this project, the central government, and what is the benefits as a consumer, as a common man. So RBI launched the pilot project right now, the recently development Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, and also it coordinated with the SBI, ICIC, Yes Bank, and IDFC. Transaction like this digital rupee person to person, person to merchant. So today you know what is the benefits and how it used. Okay, what is the purpose? This is the first one purpose. It make nation strong, and it's like a new rupee. It's like a new note. It store mobile wallet, phone pay, Google pay, and whatever you use Paytm like a wallets, the digital rupee like this, and not required. It is not required bank passbooks, and not the transaction fee, and also penalty whatever. And peso convert different ways. This is a multiple options, and it is every known e-rupee. Like what is the different e-rupee? You maybe use it is a hard copy also. Right now use the hard copy of a online transactions. Right now you digital rupee like 500, 200, 600 like this. So today got the benefited RBI printed less notes, and it is consume and save the money, because because the 100 rupees making charges in 15 rupee this way, and also use of papers saving the 1000 crore save the yearly package of printed the currency. The physical currency does hold in bank account also, and we hold a rupee like a physical pocket. And it's the other way to credit and debit. You may credit debit to another persons, you use it into protect it. It is a cashless economy. It help to cashless economy, and it is a key protect corruption. And you it make of a duplicate note. It is benefited to duplicate note, and the fake news and fake printed news, and the duplicate other things. It is used without internet. It does not make charges like this. Easy way to credit and debit, easy way to credit and debit. लेन तो हिंदी में बताए तो लेन देन कभी भी कहीं भी कहाँ पर भी हो सकता है. And last one, you also got the benefit like this. The central bank 1000 crore make physical rupee, so you make 100 rupee spend by 15 rupees, so it save your money package, and duplicate note problem is solved right now. And digital currency transaction zero fees, bank employee less than, and so you got the more than benefits. You got the more than benefits to a digital currency. After 1 year you also go we also uses the digital rupee, and the every common man's. So it is a multiple options benefited to fight with other countries. Like a modern society, the current ratio of nation building process to fight with and competitive with the fifth generation of economic growth. Right now India is the fifth largest country towards the economy, and to fight with other countries. So right now India is a developing nation, developing countries, to protect, fight, and to make India bright future. You also uses more than ideas and more than ways, because right now the cyber crime, also lot of cyber crimes happening India. So this is the more than like this digital rupee or another way to save your money package whatever. So this is the beneficiary to the common man, and it is save our money and time also. So we for the last conclusion you told The government of India also implemented in the quick response and short term uses, and it benefited by everyone's. Thank you for watching and watch these videos and got ideas the value of informations. Thank you.